Hello everybody. So today we are going to make a pineapple cake with two ingredients. You need an Angel Food cake mix and you just dump that in your bowl. And the only thing that you have to add to that is the large can of crushed pineapple. And the acid in the pineapple will make it foam up a little bit. So you don't even have to get a mixer for this. You just stir it with a spoon until it's all mixed up. And you can put it in a 13 by 9 pan and bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes. See how that all foams up there. And so you don't even have to ice in this cake. If you want to, you can use like Cool Whip, or what I sometimes will do is use an instant pudding with less milk and whichever flavor you want, and then mix that up and then mix in a thing of Cool Whip with it. So it looks like that, and we just throw it in the oven until it gets nice and brown. Okay everybody, so here's our finished Angel Food cake. Hope you enjoy.